Have you ever stepped into a kitchen where the light felt gentle, where the colours glowed softly, and the entire room seemed to breathe calm? A place where pale tones brighten the morning, where textures feel warm under your fingertips, and where every detail whispers simplicity. There's something soothing about a soft, light-toned kitchen, a space that feels open, welcoming, and quietly beautiful. And sometimes all a home needs is a kitchen like this, to feel cozy, minimal, and deeply serene. In modern living, kitchens are no longer only for cooking, they've become the heart of the home. A soft-toned kitchen creates the perfect balance of practicality and comfort, offering depth without clutter. Light colours reflect natural light, making small spaces feel spacious and airy. Minimal features create clarity, while warm materials add emotional warmth. This trend isn't about luxury, it's about creating a calm environment where your daily routines feel smoother, slower, and more meaningful. A kitchen designed with softness becomes a sanctuary within the home. Before we continue, welcome to Home and Garden Tips, your space for serene interior ideas, cozy transformations, and elegant small home design. If you love discovering peaceful, minimal, and beautiful home inspirations, we'd be delighted to have you join our community. Now let's step into the world of soft light-toned kitchens and explore how they bring comfort, elegance, and calm to modern interiors. The magic of soft-toned kitchens begins with colour. Whites, creams, beiges, pale greys, and muted taupes create a palette that instantly relaxes the mind. These hues reflect natural light beautifully, making the space appear larger and more inviting. A soft colour scheme reduces visual noise, giving the kitchen a clean and minimal look that feels refreshing every time you walk in. When paired with warm touches like wooden shelves or woven decor, the result is a perfect blend of coziness and modern minimalism. Cabinetry plays a huge role in achieving this aesthetic. Flat panel cabinets in matte or satin finishes give the room a seamless, uncluttered appearance. Handleless drawers or slim metal handles keep the design understated and elegant. Light-tone cabinets also offer flexibility. They blend effortlessly with both modern and classic styles, making the kitchen feel timeless. Even small kitchens benefit from this approach, as the cohesive palette makes the space feel clean, open, and harmoniously organized. Countertops and backsplashes add depth to a soft-toned kitchen. Quartz, marble patterns, light granite, or smooth composites in creamy or off-white tones enhance the sophistication of the space. Simple, subtle veining adds visual interest without overpowering the design. A light backsplash, whether subway tiles, textured stone, or matte tiles, ties the look together and brightens the entire kitchen. These materials elevate the interior with a soft glow that feels both modern and warm. Lighting is the soul of a cozy kitchen. Warm lighting softens the room, adds depth to pale colour palettes, and creates a welcoming atmosphere during evenings. Soft under-cabinet lights highlight the textures of stone and wood, while warm pendant lights bring character to the dining or island area. The goal is to create layers of light, gentle, warm, and natural. That give the kitchen its cozy personality. In soft-toned kitchens, lighting transforms the space from bright morning energy to intimate evening comfort. Textures are what make a minimal kitchen feel alive. Think of wooden cutting boards, woven baskets, ceramic jars, linen towels, and matte finishes. These small touches add warmth and tactile comfort without breaking the minimalist flow. A soft-toned kitchen thrives on subtle contrasts, smooth surfaces paired with natural elements, clean lines balanced with organic textures. This creates a layered look that feels rich, inviting, and beautifully curated. Thank you for spending your time with us today. If this inspired your love for soft-toned kitchens and cozy minimal interiors, stay with us as we continue exploring peaceful spaces that bring comfort to modern homes. Because the most beautiful kitchens aren't just designed, they're felt in the warmth, calm, and serenity they bring into your life.